Hello, welcome to class. Today we would continue with our series of solutions to the last Neco question. Question number 2, paper 3. We had dealt with 1, so go look up that video. Question number 2, we are asked to evaluate this to leave our answer in standard form. We should be able to write our result as something times 10 raised to a certain power. So how do we do that? The first one, the numerator is given as 0.0035. So we have that, okay? We can change that into whole number, can do away with this. I just move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4. So I end up having 35 multiplied by 10 raised to power negative 4, because I actually moved the decimal point 4 places to the right. Now for the denominator, what I have is 0.210. Okay, 210. So because I have a 10 to power negative 4, I would also look for a way to move the decimal point here 4 places so that I have equal terms both in the numerator and denominator that will cancel out. That's just it. So that's your widths anyway. You can do it any other way. We will end up having 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will give us 2100 times 10 raised to the power of negative 4. Okay, so that's what we have. The next thing we do, we divide them. So 35 times 10 raised to power negative 4 divided by what do we have for the denominator? 2100, don't forget, times 10 raised to the power of negative 4. Why did we move the decimal point 4 places? So that we end up having similar terms that will cancel out, okay, making our work easier. So what do we have left? This is 35 divided by what? 2100. Okay, take note. So I can still break this down and say 35. 2100 can be written as 21 multiplied by 100. Oh, there we are. 25 and 31, they are multiples of 7. 7 can divide this 5 times, isn't it? Your tables, 7 can divide this 3 times. Okay, even 5 can deal with itself and also deal with 120 times. Wow. So we end up having a certain 1 over 3 times 20, that will give us 60. If you work this out with a calculator, you end up having a 0.016666666666, okay? It has no n. So to write this as a, if you look at the options, the results were two decimal places. So for us to write this in standard form, we'll move the decimal point 1, 2. You place the decimal point immediately after the first non-zero number coming from the left. So this is 1, 2. So we end up having a result as 1.67 times 10. How many times did we move the decimal point to the right? 1, 2. That will give us a negative 2. Okay, that was the correct option. If you check that option, you have it as option B. Okay, feel free to reach out to us in the comment sections. If you not click the follow button yet, do so. Enroll for our holiday series and reach out to us if you need help or if you want us to teach you personally. Stay tuned.